Fractions and decimals are not two separate things. They are the same value written in two different ways. Once you see that, converting between them becomes very straightforward. A decimal is simply a fraction written in a different form. 1/2 and 0.5 are identical. 3/4 and 0.75 are identical. The number has not changed, only the way it is written. To convert any fraction to a decimal, divide the top number by the bottom number. 3/4, 3 divided by 4, gives you 0.75. 1/5, 1 divided by 5, gives you 0.2. The same method works for every fraction you will ever meet. Some fractions come up so often it is worth learning their decimal equivalents by heart. 1/2 is 0.5, 1/4 is 0.25, 3/4 is 0.75, 1/5 is 0.2. The more of these you know, the faster everything else becomes. Say you scored 17 out of 20 in a test. 17 divided by 20 gives you 0.85. Straight away you can see that is 85%, and you can compare it to any other score written as a decimal without any further working. You need this whenever fractions and decimals appear together. A calculator gives you a decimal answer. Knowing how to read that as a fraction helps you make sense of it. Comparing exam scores, discounts or measurements is much easier once everything is in the same form. The mistake that comes up most is dividing the wrong way around. 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. 4 divided by 3 is 1.33, a completely different number. Always divide the top by the bottom. Never the other way. To recap, divide the top number by the bottom number, and the result is the decimal equivalent of your fraction. Top divided by bottom. That is the only rule you need, and it works every time. Next up, converting fractions to percentages. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday maths explained simply.